Welcome to AMA's e-learning channel. Today we are going to see advanced database concept subject of SYBSc CS SEM 3. In that we will see control statements. So there are three types of control statements. First one are the conditional statements, second one are looping statements, and third one are the sequential statement. So today I will give you an example of if-else ladder, means if-else, if-else, if-else. So first of all we will declare one variable. So PLSQL block contains three sections: declaration section, main section, that is begin section, and one more is a exceptional section. So whenever we want to declare any variable, we declare it in a declaration section. Suppose I have declared here, I have declared one variable that is called as grade of type varchar2, variable length variable, okay, variable character length. Now we can initialize variable in a declaration section as well as we can declare it in a main block, that is a begin block. So here we will going to find out the grade, what grade the students can be, and it is in excellent, it will be an excellent or either very good, poor, or anything. So we will see. So here first of all I will initialize the grade variable. Always we assign value to the variable with the colon equals to. So here I have initialized the variable grade with B, that is a character. Now we will see in which category it will go under. Okay. So for that we will use if statement. Like an OOP statement which is having if-else block, we are not using then keyword, but in PLSQL we are using then keyword with the if statement, in if statement. So if grade is equal to A, then what it will print? So this is a procedure, DBMS output dot put line. It is a procedure which is used to display the message on the screen. So here I have given the condition that if grade is equal to A, then it will print the excellent. Okay. Now we are using if-else ladder. Okay. So here we will continue here. So when grade will be B, then it will print very good. Similarly, we can add conditions up to fail mark. So I will write here, every statement should always ended with the semicolon in PLSQL block. So here for grade D it will print fair, and here we will write final else. Here I have written else. Else means if grade is not under this category A, B, C, D, okay, so it will print the last statement, that is else it will print no such grade, and always we have to end each and every statement with the end. So here I have started if statement, I have to end it up. So always you need to end this if statement, and the last to end the PLSQL block, whenever we are writing begin, that should be ended. So here I have ended the block, and to execute the block just put a slash. So it will execute the block. Now to print the PLSQL block, to print the output, so here always we need to set server output on, so that whatever we are executing that will be displayed to you.